What is it about Korean food that keeps people coming back for more? The flavors? The spice? The satisfaction of a perfect bite? Korean food has taken the world by storm, and if you've ever tried it, you probably understand why. There's something seriously addictive about these dishes that makes you crave them again and again. First up, the flavors. Korean food is all about bold, powerful flavors that don't hold back. It's sweet, spicy, salty, and even a bit tangy all at once. Just take the classic kimchi. It's got that perfect blend of sour and spicy, with a crunch that keeps things interesting. Then there's gochujang, that magical red pepper paste that adds depth and a subtle heat to everything from rice bowls to stews. With these flavors, every bite is an explosion of taste that leaves you wanting more. Then, there's the balance and variety. Korean food has a way of bringing different textures and tastes together in harmony. You will often find an array of small side dishes, called banchan, that add something unique to the meal. You might have sweet glazed potatoes next to spicy pickled radishes, or savory fish cakes with sesame oil marinated spinach. Each one is different, giving your taste buds a workout and making every meal an adventure. And let's talk about spice. Korean food isn't afraid to bring the heat. Whether it's the fiery kick of kimchi or a bubbling pot of spicy tofu stew, the spice level gives your body a little jolt. That kick of heat creates an almost addictive thrill that has you reaching for one more bite, just to feel that tingle again. Another reason Korean food is so addictive: it's satisfying and filling, but never too heavy. Korean meals are often centered around rice, vegetables, and lean proteins, so you're left feeling full but not weighed down. That means you're ready to go back for more without feeling overly stuffed. And because many Korean dishes are naturally nutrient-rich, there's a good balance of satisfaction and well-being. Finally, there's the social side. Korean food often involves sharing, whether it's a sizzling Korean BBQ spread or a big pot of stew that everyone digs into together. Sharing food brings people closer, makes the experience more enjoyable, and leaves us with good memories tied to the food. And who doesn't want to go back to food that reminds them of great times with friends or family? In the end, Korean food combines flavor, spice, texture, and a sense of togetherness in every meal. It's the kind of food that excites your senses and keeps you coming back again and again. So, if you find yourself craving Korean food, you're not alone. It's just that good and totally addictive.